Hello friends, I'm Dr. Shashti Raghuvanshi. Today I will tell you about my journey from a private medical college to AIMS. I started my preparation in my third year of MBBS with a Marrow Plan C. First thing I want to tell you, it is completely possible to get into AIMS even in your first attempt. It doesn't matter from where you are, from which college you complete your MBBS. The only thing which matters is that you are consistent with your study and you have belief that you can do it. Being from a private medical college, it seems unbelievable for me to get into AIMS clear INI set would be in my very first attempt. The people around me also told me it's very tough to clear INI set. Very few seats are there for general category. You belong to pure general category. Even you don't have EWS, you are not able to do it. But trust me guys, never believe anyone who told you that you can't do it, because you can do it. If you are consistent, you believe in yourself, you can clear any exam in your first go, like INI set or NEET PG or anything whatever you want. Like you can see my story, during my internship I'm not able to prepare well. I completed my internship in March 2025. I start working as a tutor from April 2025. Just 1.5 months left from INI set exam. My complete aim is for NEET PG. I don't even think about INI set. With my tutor job, I start preparing religiously for NEET PG. I even don't think about INI set, but I fill the form to give it just like a mock or a GT exam, so that I can get prepared to handle the stress of exam, because I'm too anxious kind of a person. But when the result came, I got a rank of 3569, which is just unbelievable for me, because I just gave it as a GT. I didn't expect any rank. But at at this rank in a general category, I can get anesthesia or psychiatry from AIMS and other non-clinical branches if I want to. But the NEET PG exam is just 20 days away, so I start studying again. I take a leave from my job and used to study 10 to 12 hours per day. Then the NEET PG exam get postponed, which results in decrease in my efficacy of studying. फिर से मेरे दिमाग में वही चलने लगा कि एम्स ले लेना चाहिए या नीट पीजी के लिए पढ़ना चाहिए. जैसे एम्स मिलता है वो एम्स कभी छोड़ता नहीं है. सो मैनी इनर कन्फ्लिक्ट्स आर गोइंग ऑन. I wasted a lot of time in deciding what to do, take advice from my senior, my residents, my family. After wasting too much time, I realized अब अगर मैंने नहीं पढ़ा तो ना तो एम्स मेरे पास बचेगा ना नीट पीजी बचेगा. Then I came back home on 5th of July and start studying religiously. I used to study 13 to 14 hours a day, and sometimes it can extend up to 15 to 16 hours per day. 15 to 16 hours per day. After all my efforts, I got a rank of 3619 in NEET PG, at which I can get a good branch in a good government medical college. But because after NEET PG exam, the counseling get postponed, my mom said, why don't you give a try to INI set again? So I'll give INI set November exam and got a rank of 2866, even without doing a single revision after NEET PG exam. So if I can do it, you also can do it. In my next video, I will tell you about which resources I use for all 19 subjects in detail. Thank you.